After 2 straight days of rain, some idiot decided that it was a good idea to drive down to the very bottom of the property by the river and dig some holes and pull out some trees. Well, this person, who shall not be named, figured out that there was a whole bunch of quicksand down there. I'm planning on building a duck hole for hunting down there, so I figured I'd go down there and start getting after it. Turns out you should wait a little bit before working after the rain, otherwise things can get western real quick. Let me show y'all what happened. Well, I have gotten myself in a very, very sticky situation. I am completely buried in a mud hole right here. I'm very mad about it. I was down here testing the soil, seeing how deep it was, and I found the depth of bottomless pit. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my gosh. I seriously don't know what I'm going to do. My neighbor, they have a skid steer that they've been using. They've had a logging company cut down some of their trees, so hopefully they're still around and can pull me out, but I have no idea. I mean, yeah. This is bad. Very, very, very bad. Was I smart or what?
No! Do you know how many times you have got stuck?
None!
So, yes. Do you not remember the apocalypse of our backyard a year ago?
Well, we got a big problem. I dug an extremely deep hole. Oh my gosh. This side's not bad. What in the heck am I gonna do about this? Oh yeah, well, I'm good for at least one a year.
I just would like to say, I saw this coming. Sometimes we just don't use both sides of our head.
Well, Marcy went and got me Chick-fil-A to help with my predicament. Actually, she got the Chick-fil-A before I got my predicament.
Daddy got stuck.
Oh yeah, I got real stuck. Real stuck. So, thankfully the neighbor still does have his skid steer. Well, it's still at his house. So he's giving the guy a call to see about me borrowing it.
Owes you.
Yeah, I helped pull them out twice and pull a bunch of their logs, so we should be good. Well, the verdict has been reached. I think I'm sleeping in the doghouse tonight. You know, sometimes stuff happens, like today. And it's not a very proud moment for me. But that's all right. So I got my chain. We're going to grab another chain over here. Neighbor says he can come help pull me out with the skid steer and such. So we're going to go give that a try. I really hope we can do it without too much of a headache or without too many other issues. The last thing we want to do is get another tractor stuck. Oh man, that just does not look good, y'all. Goodness gracious. Alright, well, what I'm fixing to do here is see if I can get an attach point to hook these chains onto. Ugh. I think, well, are they just right here? Oh, good. Even better. We can hook right there and right on the other side where all that mud's coming out. Got my neighbor here. He's going to get his, he's going to grab the other, he's going to get in this skid steer. I'll be in this one. And fingers crossed we can get this thing out without too much issues. Let's see what we can do. We're only in there a little bit.
Oh man.
Okay. See that shovel there? So I can get, I lifted, I
So
drove
is it
forward.
tracks or wheels?
It's tracks.
Okay.
I can get that back end up, but the problem is you see how steep it is?
Yeah.
So I got down to a point where I just couldn't back up because it's too slick.
Right.
So I think have you get in there and just go backwards at the same
Yeah.
time.
And maybe lift, or can I lift you? That chain not big enough to lift.
I don't know if it'll lift. Yeah. but we should be able to. I do have one bigger chain at the house, but it's real rusted, so I figured it
I was
probably
gonna
wasn't.
say if I have to, I can go get some chains.
But I've got my bucket. I can push with my bucket
That's what I was gonna.
and everything.
Yeah.
It just wasn't enough to do it by
Yeah, it's
myself.
hardly enough.
Last thing we want to do is put those forks through the back of that. Reynolds. Incredible with that. Come over on this. Come over on the more. Yeah. Yeah, go straight back there. Try that. I wonder if you pull down, because I'm getting that back. It's tipping a ton. So keep that. Try keeping that thing down, and we'll do the same deal.
Maybe it'll dig in.
Yeah, that way it'll pull me. Like we're right on that edge.
Right. If it'll ever fit, you crank yourself up.
You're giving it. I mean, you're spinning your tractor, aren't you?
Yeah. It's just getting to where it's now when I move down like this and you push, we gained a little bit, but then we lost what?
There's no way this is coming out. Absolutely no way. There's no way. Well, we didn't make much progress at all. We're
Hey, you got more down on the duck pond.
Hey, that's right. So this originally was going to be a duck pond for duck hunting, and we got a deep hole now.
We'll look at this someday and go, remember when we sunk this?
Yeah, it still holds water. So we're sunk up to the cab on it on this side, and we need to, he does have a bucket for this. I didn't know he did. So we're gonna go get that bucket tomorrow, come out here, dig out around the thing, see if we can't get it pulled out that way. But it's just such a steep hill right here that we're trying to pull up, almost a straight bank, that there's just no way. So we'll see you back in the morning. It is the next morning. I've got all my camera gear. We got the other tractor. We're gonna go put the bucket on it. We're gonna see if we can't get this thing unstuck. Been thinking about it all night. Didn't sleep very good. Just worried about getting it out. So hopefully it won't be too much of an issue this morning. We are gonna go dig a ramp, kind of make a slope for that thing to be pulled out on. And fingers crossed that's gonna do it. So I got a lot of work I need to do with this thing, and I really don't want to have to get any other bigger equipment down here to get it out. Well, she's right where I left her. Knee deep in the mud. So we're gonna go ahead. What I'm gonna do with this skid steer, I'll kind of tell you guys. we're gonna come in here, scrape off all this top mud, kind of give us maybe a little bit easier place to work with, and then I'm gonna come in and dig out a little bit of a ramp here, maybe dig on the other side, try and get it just so we can break the suction and have an easier ramp. You can see right now when I back up, I'm going straight up a huge cliff. I mean, it's straight up. So what we're trying to do is make it so we have a smooth exit ramp, and hopefully if we have a smooth exit ramp with that machine and this machine, we'll be able to pull it back out.
Back here, can't stick out this thing. What's back here that you can't grab hold of it with that bucket, maybe pull up? No.
Well,
just need to move it and try to get it to drive.
This plate that I hooked that chain to, I don't know how much it'll hold, but it'll hold quite a bit. But I think if I could just come in here and
I do too. I think if you get enough of that slope.
Because you were moving.
Yeah,
you know
yeah,
I mean?
I could get you a start.
Yeah.
Hey, you want me to go get some hogs?
Yeah.
I can probably get them hogs right here in my tractor.
Okay.
Or get enough of them, we can start chunking something in there maybe to get a hold of them.
Yeah, I think we'll definitely use some of them. Y'all want to see what I'm working with? This is it. Oh man, we're sinking. Y'all see that water bubbling out of there? We're sinking. Holy Toledos. I guess the water will be somewhat good because it'll help with the, help us release suction, I think. I think we're gonna give this a try, just see how far we can get, if we can get anywhere. Shove a couple of sticks down below where the tracks are and give her a go. We got water just about to come in. Oh, there it is.
I'll start carrying them blocks up here and stick them under there, or maybe put some stuff under there. I'm just wondering, if we have to.
Okay, I'd say keep it low.
Okay.
I think. Because you're lifting me and I'm just tipping.
I see.
I might even try to lower my bucket, tip it back flat so I got more traction.
About right there?
Yeah.
first time, a while ago when we started,
Yeah.
and I went to moving my bucket, what I was doing was I was seeing a little bit of, as I was moving it, it was trying to come, and then I was giving hell out of the gas and pulling on my other lever, so I wasn't even pulling, dude. Yeah, once I thought, gosh, dog, what am I? And I started just, okay, just stay here, and stay flat. Because what I was doing was trying to let off when you repositioned,
Yeah.
and I was getting, and
Well, I think we were sliding forward then.
yeah, because I was letting off. And then I was trying to, and it would take me a second. So at that time, Crandall, I just give it everything it had and stayed back and just worked this and up and down, and we're out.
Woo, you did it.
We're out, dog.
Holy crap. Oh my gosh, that was so much work. Huge thanks to my neighbor. Would not have been able to do it without him, and the guy that was cutting down the trees let me borrow his skid steer. That was an absolute bear of a project getting that out. I think we're done working down there for a couple of days or weeks or months. We're gonna go get this back and get it cleaned up. That was absolutely unreal. We were talking about it, and I don't know how we got that thing unstuck. Y'all saw it on the video, we were fighting it, weren't making much headway, and we finally got it to break loose, and then it was an inch at a time, until it finally gave up and broke, and just let it loose. Oh, that was a very exhilarating feeling having that happen though, getting it out. Hopefully y'all learned take a break after it rains before you get back to work. Thanks for watching today's video. Like, subscribe, follow along for some more redneck content. We'll see you guys on the next video.